First up today, the famous dessert that is driving the world crazy. Just right for the holiday season. That is a very provocative title. Let's hope it's not clickbait. I would like to be driven crazy. Let's see how my mood stabilizers hold up to this. First off, I just like the music. Sugar. I'm waiting to be driven crazy, mad, insane. Well, that was a very hard turn on the music. I mean, Thuvian throat singers is up next. Like, what kind of wacky mixtape is this? Walnuts, okay. Eggs, 2 of them. Vanilla powder. The tiniest whisk in the world. Oh my gosh, that looks like a Christmas ornament. This big. We're making banana cake. I'll tell you what's driving me crazy about this recipe. The amount of time it's taking to get to the banana cake. Let's see the inside. Big reveal. That looks really underbaked. Is that what it's supposed to look like? Because this looks flat, it looks underbaked. It looks underwhelming. Grade for this, 1 out of 10. I'm gonna go ahead and give this 5. The famous dessert that is driving the world crazy. Just say banana bread, dude. Awesome caramelized banana bread. But I guess that doesn't get the clicks, right? Just say banana bread.
Are you trying to say that banana bread is not famous?
Banana bread is incredibly famous. Is this the famous dessert that is driving the world crazy? No, or maybe it's a divided nation. Maybe 50% of us are absolutely bonkers for banana bread, and 50% of us are sort of, and just right for the holiday season, banana bread. Banana bread's good all year round. I like the concept. I like the caramelizing the sugar, caramelizing the bananas first. Let's remake this. Yeah? Challenge accepted, Tasty Chef Club. We are going to remake this, do it a little better, a little faster, maybe a little better music, and I think the editing is going to be a little bit more pizzazz-filled. Stay tuned. Oh, also, like and subscribe. You know how this works.